This is the 750-watt XF750W, manufactured by SAMA, with a current MSRP of $96 US. It is a fully modular power supply with an additional hybrid fan mode, allowing passive operation for low loads. We tested 2 samples of this power supply, and both stopped functioning before we completed our tests, so we cannot recommend it. For more information on the partial results and complete failures of the unit, see the product page on the LTT Labs website. The power supply comes in sturdy packaging and measures 150 by 86 by 140 millimeters. Considering cable flexibility, it has an effective depth of 175 millimeters. The XF750W is accompanied by the accessories as shown and supported by a 10-year warranty. This warranty period is as expected for a power supply of this class. The fully modular cables are of excellent quality. They have plastic insulation and are moderately flexible. They should cause no problems while building and cable managing your computer. The provided cable set includes a single 12-volt high-power cable, allowing delivery of up to 450 watts to a GPU. Now, a word from our sponsor. Thanks to Private Internet Access for sponsoring this video. Their secure high-speed VPN network lets you access your local content from all over the world. Go check out PIA using our link in the description for a special deal. For full specifications and test results, follow the link to the product page on the LTT Labs website.